Now, over here in this question, we've been provided a matrix whose entries are 2, 3, -1, and 5. So, this is a 2 by 2 matrix as you can see over here. Let us just name this matrix as A. Now, we are supposed to find out the inverse of this matrix. So, first of all, we need to determine whether this is an invertible matrix or not. So for that, what we are going to do is simply you can just use a formula that says AD minus BC. Okay, this has to be this should not be equal to 0 in order to make a matrix as invertible. Fine. Now, what is this AD and BC over here? Simply the elements have been marked as A, B, C, and D like this. Okay. So let us just find out the value of AD minus